If you are interested in AI but don't know where to start, this video is for you. You may have heard terms like generative AI, AI agent, agentic AI, AI models, LLM model, rack system, MCP server, but you don't know where to start, then that's where Microsoft AI 901 comes in. AI 901 is a Microsoft Azure AI fundamental certification for people who are starting their AI journey. In this course, we will learn the important AI concept step by step, and we will understand how Microsoft Azure and Microsoft Foundry can be used with AI. So let's start the AI 901 journey together. Hello everyone, welcome back to Chai Sutta in Coding. In this series, we are going to start the AI 901 course, and this is the part 1. The goal of this course is to give you a clear understanding of AI before you move into a more advanced AI development. We will start with the basics, then we will move toward AI models, generative AI, responsible AI, and Microsoft Foundry. So, what we will learn in AI 901? There are four main areas where we will focus on. First, basic AI concepts like what is AI, what is LLM model, what is the difference between machine learning and AI. Then we will understand the basic principle of AI and what are the different AI workloads. Then we will understand the responsible AI concepts such as fairness, transparency, and accountability, and why they are important when building AI solutions. Then we will understand AI models, how AI models work, especially generative AI models, LLM models, their capabilities, and how we choose and configure them. And finally, we will understand Azure AI and how we can host AI application on the Microsoft Foundry. Here we will start connecting our AI knowledge with the Microsoft tool and services. So overall journey is simple. We will understand, explore, implement, and certified. Now, who should take AI 901 certification? Basically, AI 901 is mainly for the people who are beginning their AI journey. It can be useful for the students, IT professionals, software developers, or someone who just wants to understand the AI concepts. It is also a good starting point if you are planning to move into the AI focused role, or if you are planning to build a AI powered application. So, this is a good starting point, and you don't need to be an AI expert to understand this course. You just need some basic programming language or computer language, and if you have some Azure background, then that will be beneficial. But if you don't have the cloud background, or if you don't know like what is cloud, then it is also okay, because this course is just for the beginner. Okay, this is just a fundamental course that will cover the AI concepts. Okay, like we are not going to actually build something big. Okay, so we will see each and every topic and how what are the different fundamental things we are going to cover in this series. We are going to see in upcoming videos. Okay, now let me mm, tell you one more thing, like what is the difference between AI 901 and AI 103. They both are the Microsoft certification for the AI, but AI 901 is a starting point. Okay, like if you don't know anything about AI, then AI 901 is a starting certification just to understand the fundamentals of the AI. But AI 103 is a separate certification which mainly focus on the building AI applications. And the AI 103 certification is mainly for the developers, like who wants to develop the AI application. Okay, but for AI 103, I have created a separate playlist in my channel. You can check out that. Okay, like there I, instead of explaining the fundamental concept, there like I actually created the services, there I actually created the AI projects. Okay, but in this playlist, in this particular series, we are talking about the fundamentals. Okay, so I hope like you understand the difference between these two, and based on your requirement, like if you are a developer and if you know some basic concept of AI, then you can directly switch to the AI 103 instead of 901. Okay, but if you are just understanding the AI concept, if you are just want to understand the fundamental of AI, like what is AI and what are the different workloads of the AI, what is the prompt engineering, then you can focus on 901. Now, let's talk about at the AI 901 exam structure. Okay, so there are major two areas. Okay, there are two main modules. Okay, one is identify AI concept and capabilities, and second one is implement AI solution using Microsoft Foundry. So this first module covers basic fundamentals of the AI, like AI concepts like responsible AI, or what is prompt engineering, and what are the different workloads of the AI, and it has something like 40 to 45% coverage in the exam. Okay, but in the other module, like here, like we actually see like how we can create the AI solution on the Microsoft Foundry portal. Okay, there is one portal, Microsoft Foundry, provided by the Microsoft. Like there, like we can deploy the LLM models, we can deploy we can create the agents, we can connect with the other AI services. Okay, so like that is a kind of a portal like where we can perform and create, build, deploy our AI solutions. Okay, so we will see each and every concept under this module, like how we can manage the AI projects and all. Okay, and the so basically like these two module cover every topic in this exam. Okay, we will see like what are the total topics and what is the roadmap based on these two modules. In upcoming video, we will see all the topics, but this just for the um, to tell you like what are the exam pattern. Okay, like I just write it these two modules and the percentage coverage in the exam. And in this exam, like generally like we saw 60 questions in the exam, and the total marks is 1000 and the passing score is 700. Okay, we need to score 700 and more to pass this certification. And the certification is actually new. Okay, like it is updated last on 15th April 2026. Before that, like we have the AI 900 instead of 901. Okay, like we have the separate certification which the name is same, Microsoft AI Fundamentals. Okay, but what changed here, what changed in the 901, like basically like here it is added the agent concept, it is added the MCP's concept, and it is added everything in the Microsoft Foundry. Okay, so Microsoft Foundry is important terms here. Okay, instead of old certification, this is then brand new certification. Okay, so you can focus on this instead of 900. And that's it for this introduction. Now you know what AI 901 is and what we are going to cover in this certification. In the next video, we will see the roadmap. We will cover the roadmap, and we will discuss all the topics that we are going to cover in this particular course. Okay, like because we need to first need to find like what we are going to cover. Okay, instead of directly switching to the topics and topics. Okay, like we need to at least we will create some structure first. Okay, like how and what we are going to cover in this series. Okay, so the complete roadmap I will cover in the next video. If you have any doubt or if you have any feedback, then please comment on this video, and if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.